Hello and welcome everyone, I'm Rutunjay and you're watching Free Press Journal. Do you remember of skipping classes or bunking college lectures just to attend Kala Ghoda Arts Festival? Yes, I'm at the opening ceremony of this festival and that's my core memory from my college days. Well, bunking classes and college lectures is still a wrong thing, but not attending Kala Ghoda can never be the right choice. The festival is celebrating its 26th edition this year with larger surprises and bigger promises. The festival has already begun on 31st January and is open for everyone till 8th of February. The festival has more than 400 live events, activities and workshops for everyone till in 15 different verticals.
I love Kala Ghoda Arts Festival.
I love Kala Ghoda Festival.
I love Kala Ghoda Arts Festival.
We love Kala Ghoda Arts Festival and we're honored to be here. And please do visit our installation.
If you're still watching this video, I'm sure that you're already and totally into this festival. But why just hop on to this video when you can actually attend this festival yourself? The festival is open for everyone till 8th of February. The gates open at 10 am in the morning till 10 pm in the night. Is this your first time at Kala Ghoda?
Yeah, it is.
This is my second time.
It's my 5th time. It's my 2nd time after 5 years.
Life, my first time.
No, not mine. Not mine.
This is my first time actually.
It is, yes, it's a first time.
Hello, and first of all, tell me where are you from coming?
We're from England.
Okay, England. Okay. So is this your first time at Kala Ghoda Arts Festival and Mumbai?
It is, yeah. First time in Mumbai.
So how do you like the vibe? How do you like the festival?
I am very excited for it and I love everything here. Like it's all handicraft and the installations are way too pretty.
It's very happening, I would say, and I love the crowd. There's a lot of people, so obviously, like, it's a success then. Yeah, what would you like to say?
Sorry, I was just like, he's lying.
No, yeah,
No,
the crowd is good. The crowd is good.
No, I was just messing with you. Okay, I loved it, honestly, since I've been here like 4 times. 5th time, I love it, honestly. And this time, what I loved is the crowd. I have to be so, like, I'll be so real with you, the crowd this time, because I'm like volunteering with another brand. So now I know how much hard work you all are doing and how much hard work it takes. So I'm loving the crowd, the vibe, everything basically.
I think I'm an artist myself, so I'm loving the experience. I'm loving how so many states have come together, celebrating art. I'm honestly loving it.
Yeah, it's like really nice, like go through all the stalls and see like every state doing their things.
It's great. It's really interesting. It's very busy. There's lots of people everywhere, but there's lots of interesting things. Great artwork everywhere.
So this time I really wanted to bring my mom here. So she's right behind. So like how the culture works, how mostly I wanted to make her try how the Gen Z culture works. Because she is really missing on everything. Because she dedicated all her life for us. Now it's our turn to make her happy.
Any particular favorite installation of yours that you have seen till now?
So like I think this is the one, like the Kalipili. It's too cute. Yeah.
The artifact which you were talking about, I think I saw one heart wala cute, that I loved that. Okay, I'm really much in. Yes, the heart of Bombay. So I have a heart over here. As you know, now I'm really into hearts. So yeah, that like caught my eye.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. इन बच्चों के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, पर मेरे लिए सब पुराना है. हाँ, क्योंकि हमारे ज़माने की बात है, ये उन दिनों की बात है. 70s 80s में तब थे ये PCO, ये जो सब है ना अभी, वो सब उस दिनों की बात है. अभी इन लोगों के लिए Gen Z जनरेशन ये नया है, मेरे लिए तो सब पुराना है, पर नए स्टाइल में है सब अभी.
So how do you like the rich culture, rich heritage of Mumbai and how Kala Ghoda is preserving it?
I love the Kala Ghoda heritage and everything here. It's like, it just feels like I'm completely in a different world when I come to this place. So, yeah.
I just saw like the jewelry over there and like that. I forgot the state. There's a really beautiful jewelry over there. We just entered, we started roaming around the photo booths and all.
This is actually our first time. We've seen installations like online, but this is our first time being here, so it's like a great experience.
I think honestly, because we're new to Bombay, we're seeing so many elements of Bombay here, which is
really nice.
yeah,
something very
realizing
different.
so many things.
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा, अभी तो मैं फिलहाल देख रही हूँ, तो मेरे को अभी स्टार्ट से तो अच्छा लग रहा है. अभी आगे आगे देखूंगी क्या है, क्या बनाया है, क्या कैसे लग रहा है. PCO को तो अच्छा लगा. वो तो हम लोग PCO भी यूज़ करते थे. अभी मोबाइल न्यू जनरेशन का है, अभी तो टेक्नोलॉजी और भी बढ़ गई है. पर अभी देखते हैं आगे जाके क्या और अच्छा लगता है.
So I'm here for first for the pictures, then to enjoy vibes and spend my weekend. बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स मंडे टू फ्राइडे कॉर्पोरेट गर्ली के लिए क्या ही है, तो ये वीकेंड सही है.
Second option.
The second
enjoy.
option, to enjoy the vibes, and
It's honestly
like including everywhere.
As girls, you cannot skip photos.
I feel like also being a part of it and photos is like a good thing. But some people come only for photos, which is like a big.
No. Any artifact that you like?
I really liked the shrimp made out of bottles. That's really cool. That's really thoughtful. I like that.
The hanging crystal at the end is really cool. Reminds me of Pink Floyd, which is quite cool. So yeah, it's a good sight like that.
It was actually very intimidating in the starting. So we just got here and we were like, oh, that's really good work. But then, yeah, we were confident with us. We were just interacting with a lot of people. We got to learn a lot.
People are very curious here in Mumbai. It's very great energy, and we really like how they're interacting with our installation. So
Have you heard of Kala Ghoda festival before, and that's why you are visiting?
Yeah, I have heard of it before.
See, we are volunteering for a brand, so we got to know about the dates from there. Otherwise, Reels gets you information with no time, so I think Reels also.
Social media and obviously the volunteering at
If you want to attend this festival and you're wondering how to register, what is the price of tickets, how to get tickets, let me tell you, this festival is completely free for everyone. And not just festival, but all the workshops, live events and activities are completely free for all the art lovers. So make sure you attend this festival. Now I'm heading inside to attend this festival, and if you're planning to visit, make sure to walk into us. And for more updates, please follow Free Press Journal. I'm Rutunjay with Sachin from Mumbai.